sports, we go trackside with athletics. The Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association held its official press conference on Monday, revealing game-changing updates ahead of the highly anticipated 2026 J3A PUMA National Championships, the ultimate trials to select Jamaica's sprinting superstars for the world stage. Marlon Samuels was there and filed this report.
J3A executives unveiled key highlights designed to elevate the competition, promising an electrifying atmosphere at the National Stadium, June 18 to 21. When asked about the event's evolution, they emphasized how these changes will sharpen athletes' competitive edge and boost Jamaica's medal prospects.
This year we will also, a new initiative with the staging of the under-15 multi-events for the first time at our championships. And we plan to make this become a part of the event structure on our championships, at our championships. Because this age group is also the next step leading into boys and girls championships at the secondary level. And so multi-events, we want to get back to the days where our multi-eventers can now compete internationally. Might I also say we have been doing exceptionally well at the age group championships. We have been champion for the last 3 staging, and so this time around we thought it's best to have this event annually, although the competition is every other year. The competition will be very strong. We have the men outdoor champion in oblique civil, and he'll be in the, aiming to regain the title of being champion here at our national championships. And the women, on the women's side, again, the defending champion, surely doesn't want to lose her position. So majority of the events, because I've been looking at the event by list, and we are really and truly having some very strong competitors in our sprints, in the field events as well.
Executive members also provided an update on securing long-term financial support, ensuring Jamaica remains competitive on the world stage.
3 other companies, those are the main persons who support us locally. Majority of our funding come from overseas, and the President alluded to 2 particular companies, and that's where the bulk of our maybe 80% or 90% of all our sponsorship, 90% maybe, for our sponsorship received. So we do not get a lot of support, although we are successful. The country benefits from in terms of global value of Jamaican sport brand Jamaica. We are the brand, track and field, but it does not maintain in terms of the support we get locally. We continue to seek support in terms of how we manage our resources, how we deal with sponsors or partners, and the type of image that we want to portray. In terms of the second part about athletes, you may not know that, but I think this should go to the world. We have averaged 10 million a year to athletes over the past 10 years. The average, not always 10 million, but the average is 10 million. And to date, for this year, we have spent 7 million in support of assistance to athletes. And these assistants, we talk about training, sometimes in terms of meal, supplemental allowance, in terms of preparations to events, and how the equipment and how they manage. And you might wish to know that all the equipment that's owned at the stadium, but the hurdles, the discus ring, the shot, everything you see there, all the bags owned by the J3s. So when we go to our event, what we get is a shell, the high jump banks, the pole, everything that is there is owned by the J3s. And for your information, one starting block is like $420 US. And one hurdle is like 422 for 30, whatever it is. So you understand, if you have an inventory where we have about 200 hurdles, and you look at an average of 420 per one, you understand the level and the value of our inventory.
With electrifying competition and solid backing, Jamaica's track legends are set to shine once again. Stay tuned to PBCJ as history unfolds at the National Championships, June 18 to 21. I am Marlon Samuels for the news on PBCJ.